Okay, we're live.
Guys, we're buying gold today in Abu Dhabi. So, come close. Let's see. Since I'm not a baller, we're gonna go for the gold bar 2.5 gram, which is AED, $500, okay? So click that, buy immediately, get the whole thing, you know? We're buying gold from a freaking vending machine, I love it. Okay, so here we go. So what do I do? Please deposit. So where did I deposit this shit?
Deposit the shit.
Where did I deposit? Right here. Okay. So here's one crisp bill. What?
Wait until.
Yeah. There's another.
Yeah. Third one. Going in.
You got it?
Yeah. Fourth one. Last one.
For a little piece of gold. A little piece of gold. Get this. Let's see. Item output.
Yeah.
Here it comes. It better come in a box.
Well, here it came in a box.
Guys.
That's it.
Looks like
Gold to go.
Well,
Open it.
let's see. Imagine it blows up. You guys get this?
Yeah.
Wow. That's it?
That's it.
That's it right there.
Little
Look at that.
piece of
Little
gold.
piece.
For 500 dirhams.
Wow. Amazing. Back into the boxes. I'll probably never look at this ever again.
Oh yeah, Abu Dhabi, yeah.
Come here and do
Just for a
this.
memory.
So here you go.
Gold to go.
Take a shot now.
And we're out.